Hello and welcome to my channel, Explore with Eli. Thank you for stopping by. Alright, and welcome to a room tour of a room here at the DoubleTree by Hilton, Los Angeles, El Segundo. This is going to be a king bed with walk-in shower room, uh, located on floor 5, room number 512. Let's go ahead and proceed. So as you walk in here, you do have a bathroom just to your immediate right. Nice vanity mirror. You've got a light switch here to also turn on a light in your shower. Here you have your shower gel, body conditioner, as well as shampoo. King size bed. You've got a nice size TV. There's your fridge. A couple of drawers for storage. Here you have a pull-out slider with your ice bucket and a cup. Of course, your coffee and tea machine with some bottles of water. Here you have a little view looking out of El Segundo. It's at night, so I apologize if you can't see anything there. But yeah, this is room 512 here